Okay guys, so now naman is for the equilibrium of a parallel force system. So technically guys, same concept pa rin tayo that the summation of the resultant should be equal to 0. However guys, dito naman guys, ang pinaka-highlight talaga dito is the moment. Okay? Ngayon, sir, bakit ganun? Bakit yung kanina yung concurrent force system walang moment? Kasi nga, di ba nga yung point na kino-consider natin doon is the point of concurrency of the forces, therefore wala siyang wala siyang ma-form na moment arm with the forces involved. So, wala tayong magiging moment doon. However, in this case kasi guys, we are actually acknowledging the moment dahil nga yung point kung saan tayo mag-a-analyze is since this is parallel force system is hindi doon magpa-pass through always yung ating forces. So tendency, yung isang particle natin is magro-rotate din siya about the axis considered. Now, yun lang naman yun. So ibig sabihin, kung kanina is i-consider natin guys that the summation of forces vertical is equal to 0, summation of forces of horizontal is equal to 0. Ngayon naman, since this is parallel forces, siguro, sige, pagbigyan na rin natin, same lang yun. We have the summation forces horizontal equal to 0, summation forces vertical is equal to 0, at saka summation of moment equal to 0. Kumbaga, hindi siya magta-translate along the horizontal x and vertical y, and hindi rin siya magro-rotate about the axis. Okay. So, ibig sabihin, in equilibrium yung ating Okay, so sample problem na tayo agad.